I welcome all the participants today on the fourth Security Council meeting, especially Admiral Zakaullah. He's just taken over as the Chief of Naval Staff, so we also welcome you. We have two agenda items. One is the tension on the line of control, and the other one briefing an update on Zarbeaz. I have been to Mirin Shah area yesterday, and I think it was a very moving experience for me. I met the Jawans and the officers who are willing to undertake any sacrifice for the survival of Pakistan. They have fought very bravely in that area, and they've cleared all the North Waziristan area, including the city that we visited yesterday of Mirin Shah, and the adjoining mountains, the mountain tops, which the Corps Commander especially showed me while he was traveling with me in the helicopter yesterday. So we were all very thrilled and very happy to see the outcome of the Zarbeaz, mashallah, proceeding very successfully. So I must compliment all the officers, all the Jawans who are fighting this war very bravely, and all those who've lost their lives, all those who have sacrificed their lives for Pakistan must be complimented by each one of us. So we like to convey our sincerest and heartfelt condolences to their families, and I think the army is already taking care of their families, but if there is anything that the government can do to provide them further relief and help, we'll be very happy to do that. There were very moving scenes that I saw there, especially the area that we visited. The Jawans cleared that. We lost a lot of lives, as I just mentioned. Then the terrorists also had to pay a very heavy price for what they have been doing over the last few years in that area. And we especially saw a mosque, and the basement of that mosque was being used for promoting their cause of terrorism. And they showed us the rooms where these youngsters were being trained and groomed, and depots where they had stored all the explosives and ammunitions. So I think it was really a lifetime experience that we saw yesterday. It was a very detailed visit, including a very detailed presentation given by the Div Commander. So to sum it up, I must say that it's a marvelous job which our armed forces have done, and I must compliment everybody, including Chief of Army Staff, under whose leadership this has been carried out.